Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find gallery on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. In order to find the gallery, we can use different apps. So let's say by default we should have an app on the home screen like Photos over here. We can also tap on Google in order to go to Files. At the same time, we can also open all apps, so swap from the bottom to up, and then we need to find such apps like I mentioned. So we have Photos over here, which looks like this. So we can check our gallery over here, and we can also go to library if you want to, so they are now categorized a little bit. And we can also access memories if you want to create memories, so that's fun. We can also go back, and like I said, we can also use files, which is not really the same, but it is quite similar. But in this case, we can get access to pretty much every file that we have on our device, including the aforementioned photos. So over here we can see on the top that we have some access to camera photos, to some movies even, and some screenshots that I made before. We can tap on the images category in order to see all images that we have on our smartphone. So over here we have access to gallery as well, and at the top we also have folders or categories, so we can swap between those as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.